what could be called an ongoing project, the Mayor and City Council of Georgetown has commenced a $150 million restoration exercise of the Repentir Cemetery. Details from Alexis Rodney.
The project, which started late last year, is part of a wider plan to restore the city of Georgetown. Speaking to InfoHub, Town Clerk Royston King explained that the council is taking an aggressive approach to ensure the area's complete restoration.
We have hired, under the emergency clause of the Act, a contractor with Chung Global with the human competencies and the technological capabilities to clear the cemetery and to help us restore it.
It is the first time that the council has hired a contractor to maintain the cemetery. According to King, the contractor will work along with the council's technical team to ensure a robust maintenance program.
We started late last year, and these works will continue, I would say, until maybe another 2 or 3 months, because there are a number of things we have to do within the cemetery, and we're very happy that we've been receiving the cooperation of our citizens and of our critical stakeholders.
The project runs in excess of $150 million, and according to the town clerk, much more still needs to be done. He explained that the council plans to restore the gates and fences of the cemetery. Plans are also in the pipeline to construct another crematorium. The development of the cemetery's roads are part of the current work package. Citizens are being urged to pay up their rates to assist in the restoration process. Alexis Rodney for InfoHub.